It's Foodie Friday. Let's get trekking for food. It's Foodie Friday. Let's get trekking for food. Well, actually, I'm not going to trek too far because it is so rainy here today, yesterday, and I think again tomorrow it's supposed to be like this. So I just went down the street, a trusted favorite of mine, and I had breakfast, my favorite meal. And instead of being one of those people who always get the same thing, because when I go here I normally do, this time I tried something totally different. Got something that's on their seasonal menu, and it was delish. So check it out. Happy Friday. Stay dry.